All right, y'all, we at Better Brews, which is a vegan spot. And y'all, I'm super excited to show y'all this menu. And I'm super excited to eat because I'm hungry. Now, Better Brews has a plethora of items for breakfast, for brunch, for lunch, for dinner, for dessert, the whole nine. I probably don't want it no more. I spit on it. It's okay. Let me tell y'all something about these boudin sushi rolls, if that's how you pronounce it. These right here. This is the best vegan sushi I ever had in my entire life. And I tell you no lies. My friends who are meat eaters, they were messing these joints up. They were like, it was so good. And then that sauce on it, like so bomb, y'all. Like these things were so good. So get these. If you go to Better Brews, get these. Then we had a little drinky drink. You know, they don't do no hard liquor. Anyway, so my friends had some waffles, oyster mushrooms, some shrimp grits. All right, let's get to my food. Okay, so I have their donut breakfast sandwich, which is a donut, then it's egg, their special sauce, and some sausage. Ooh, sweet, savory, salty. This right here was so good, y'all. I enjoyed my meal. That's good. It was a good breakfast. What is that? That was some of the best vegan food I ever had in my entire life. Like, my nose has been crooked. I'm so full right now. Like, that food, top tier. So, you come to Houston, you want some vegan food, you gotta go to Better Brews. All right, next up, we went to this spot called Corny Vibes, and that's Corny with a K. So they have breakfast until, I don't know if it's all day, but we went here for lunch. Y'all, this banana pudding milkshake, fire. Like fire. That junk was so freaking good. Yeah, that milkshake is a must. All right, so I had their mac and cheese, which let me tell y'all something. That's a miss. You ain't got to get that. Let's just you ain't got to get it. Don't waste your stomach space for that. Yeah, nah. It wasn't giving, okay? Then I had this I think it was a Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Everything vegan. Not everything vegan. And I was like, okay. Now this is good. Okay, it's crispy on the outside. It has that like soft, meaty texture on the inside. The thing I wish it did have was more sauce. I'm a sauce girly, and I really like the sauce to be like dripping off of my sandwiches, but that's the only thing that was missing. This sandwich was good. It kind of reminded me of a spicy Chick-fil-A sandwich back in my chicken eating days, which we all know I've retired from. But that was good. That was good. I would go back and get that. Now, my friend, he had the vegan Philly, and he said that was good. All right, then the next day, guess what? We went back to Better Brews, okay? I told y'all them boudin, them sushi rolls, my friends, they got their own plate to share because they wasn't sharing with me this time. And then I got their breakfast quesadilla. The breakfast quesadilla was so good. It was so much flavor in that quesadilla. The spice was right. The creaminess from the sauce and the sour cream was so good. Then I had like hash browns on the side that were seasoned well too. Y'all, Better Brews, they gonna get you right, okay? Yeah, all right, y'all. We just now leaving Better Brews again. Breakfast was bomb. How was your breakfast, Bianca?
So good.
What'd you have?
I had the waffle plain. And then I had, grits. Mm-hmm. So good. Savory, not sweet, like I like it, but it was good. And I had sushi. Vegan sushi, no meat.
Mm-hmm. No meat.
What'd you have, Steven?
Better Brews. Steven, what about you?
So I had the delicious sushi. I also had Beyond Meat. It was a sausage burger. So flavorful, amazing tomatoes, eggs. Oh, so delicious. Period.
All right, so we did another quick stop at this spot called Cascabel. It was a Mexican spot. So I got me 2 tacos. The tacos were good. I didn't feel like it was somewhere I needed to go back to. Then I also got a rum chata drink, which was good. All right, so at night we went to this spot called Pythagoras, and your girl came for the pizza burger, okay? The pizza burger. Let me tell y'all something. This pizza burger and the Parmesan fries, so freaking good. Now, I could have ate this whole thing by myself, but I shared it with my friends. It was so good. It had bacon, it had pickles, it had cheese. It was so thick, and it was like really, really tasty. Y'all, this was definitely worth the drive, okay? All right, so then we went back again to good old Better Brews. And let me tell y'all something. This freaking vegan buffalo chicken dip, y'all. Just watch my review. Here it comes. I got this vegan buffalo chicken dip. So let's see how it tastes. Blessed Lord, okay. Y'all, I tell you, I'm coming back to Houston, and I'm just going to eat at Better Brews 3 times a day. Because why does this have so much flavor? What do you think, Steven?
10 out of 10.
This
100%. 10 out of 10.
This buffalo chicken dip right here wasn't it vegan? This is so good. This and the chips. I don't know what kind of chips. These ain't no regular like Tostitos chips and that. These are
Everything that it needs to give. Hands down.
Better Brews. I'm gonna try the croissant. Let's do that's all. I'm gonna try the croissant and let y'all know. I got something else. Hold on. Now the croissant with the gravy and the boudin rice, it was just okay. I don't know. This might be something you need to eat fresh, okay? So this was sitting for a while before I ate it. I would suggest eating that fresh. Then the last place we ate was Meek's Vegan Pizza, y'all. And we had like this vegan meat lovers pizza. So bomb. Had a side of ranch. I highly recommend Meek's. Thank y'all so much for tuning into my Houston vegan food tour. I would definitely go back to Houston just to eat. Comment below on what looked the best to you and what you're going to try when you go to Houston. Okay? And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed for all your lifestyle content. I'll see y'all soon. Peace.